Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a very easy soup. We're going to make it okra. Here I have my okra, my sliced okra. Here I have my deboned stockfish and smoked fish, then properly washed. Here I have a small quantity of okra. I would have used more quantity of okra, pepper and onions. I'm going to be blending this to give it that drawing effect. Then I also have uziza and obe, but the uziza I forgot to show this in the video. So I'll be going ahead to smoke this obe to give it that smoky effect. Then I'm going to pound it and set it aside for cooking. Pound the obe and the uziza seed. Here my meat stock is ready. I go in with my oil with some water, cover that to boil. Then I chopped my vegetable I'll be using for my food, for my soup. Then my water has boiled. Then I go in with my uziza and obe, my stockfish, my blended okra and some crayfish. I stir that to boil. Then here it has boiled. Then I will go in with my seasoning and salt and some pepper. Taste that and make sure it is okay. Then I'll go in with my onion. The meat I cooked, cover it up, allow it to boil. Then I go in with my okra. I'll cover that up, allow it to boil for a while. Then I'll go in with my vegetable. At this moment I've turned off the heat, so I'll just close the pot so that the heat from the soup will just cook the vegetable. You don't cook your vegetable to get done, so it can be fresh while eating. So at this stage our soup is ready. Just gonna take that down. You can see how delicious it looks. It actually tasted more delicious. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye.